The summer season has begun and each year seems to break its own records of heat. While humans have the access to coolers and air conditioners to keep themselves cool, these amenities are far from reaching animals. However, we want one thing to be readily available for these animals, and that is water. On Earth, every living being requires water to survive. As humans, we possess intelligence, enabling us to store rainwater, build bore wells, and store water in tanks. In areas where water scarcity becomes a problem, government even ensures to provide water through water tankers. However, what about voiceless animals? They cannot even store rainwater or dig bore wells. If someone offers them water, they might drink it. And if not, they may quench their thirst by drinking gutter water. If even gutter water is not available, they may risk their lives due to dehydration. Just as there are trustees in a trust that manage its affairs, we humans are the trustees of this planet Earth. Therefore, along with humans, it becomes our moral responsibility to care for each and every living being on this planet. With this sentiment, a campaign was initiated by Ashraya Hastha Trust to place water bowls for voiceless animals of Anand City. People happily embraced this initiative, started placing water bowls near their home and offices, and started refilling them. They say kindness is contagious. One person's act inspired another, and a system for providing water to voiceless animals was established in the city. Whenever an animal drinks water from this bowl, it provides them a sense of relief, and it gives peace to our hearts. Thank you to the team and trustees of Ashraya Hastha Trust for being a savior to those who cannot speak for themselves.